super practical for you to do this kind of work on the same workstation within the same workflow.
So I'll just give you a little idea of what's going on behind the scenes here. So I've started a Bunkspeed, and we've loaded this model directly into SolidWorks, from the SolidWorks model itself. And right now, Bunkspeed is going and creating a very accurate lighting model based on the HDR environment map that we're using for our environment here. So that means that the lighting is actually environmentally accurate. And so what we'll see is, initially, while this lighting model computes, up to now, we're going to get this very detailed ray trace image that's going to take into account things like reflections, inner reflections, and global illumination based on real-world lighting conditions. And the nice thing is that once we've got that lighting model baked in here, we can go ahead and we can actually rotate this object. We can move it to different settings, and all of a sudden, now we automatically get that ray trace coming in extremely quickly. So it means that we can set up multiple camera angles, we can get multiple views. If we don't like the way that a render turns out, we don't have to wait hours until we get the results back from our final render. We only have to wait a few seconds to see if it's really how we want the shadows, if the reflections are accurate, if we like the color of the paint. And we can make a lot of different changes very, very quickly because we're not waiting for a really long time to get back our final renders. We only have to wait a minute